day viewer, today I'm going to show you to a very beautiful two-bedder at Singa Hill. This unit is actually having a very regular layout. It's spacious in all the rooms. Right in front of me is actually the living space. This living space comprises of a very high ceiling and it's actually very wide in the width. So it gives you a very spacious feeling. For the owner, she actually did up a fair bit of storage cabinet so as to add on to her storage requirement. And right in front of me is actually the very beautiful balcony. This balcony is actually a very good use of space. It has another dining area. It can fit in a 4-seater easily. And the best part is that this balcony is actually facing north directly. There won't be any hot west sun in the afternoon. And on my left is actually a very good unblocked view. Now I'm going back into the unit. And there is also another alternative dining area right at this corner. You can also fit in a 4-seater very easily. And right beside is actually the modern kitchen. This modern kitchen is fully equipped and there's also an option to fully enclose it by building another sliding door right by the side. And one plus point about this kitchen is actually its natural ventilation. That's what we can see over here. So while you're cooking, you do not need to worry that the smell might flood the whole place. Let's come along to the bedroom area. The bedroom area is actually organized in a very private kind of manner so that your guests will not be able to peek into your rooms. The first room we are going to enter is actually the study room. This study room can easily fit in a queen size bed and it also comes with a nice modern built-in wardrobe. And right out here is actually the toilet. This toilet is especially spacious. The owner has also added on to a storage cabinet right at this area, so it has to give you additional storage space. And we have a very nice stand shower right over here. Okay, now I'm going to enter the master bedroom. This master bedroom is very unique. It comes with a lot of window panel, so this means that it is actually well lit. And right in front of me is actually another panel for the access to the aircon compressor. And this room itself can accommodate a queen size bed and with plenty of room left on the left and on the right. And it also comes with a very nice built-in wardrobe. This room is also north facing, so there won't be any west sun issue. Do not hesitate to contact me if you are keen on this beautiful two-bedder. I will arrange for an exclusive viewing for you. See you soon!